Whoa, slow down there. Want to try some hydroponics? You need some hydrogen and some net cups. Don't forget the rock wool. Some other things gonna get pretty expensive really quick. Want something cheaper? Like a pool noodle? Careful. Oh, what'd you do? Yeah, it comes out to about 2 cents a piece. That work for you? Cool. Let's get started. Alrighty, here's some pak choi we let go to seed. You can see we're still munching off of it. But if you let them go ahead and flower, you can save your own seeds. I had some people ask me about the small amount of seeds that you get in a packet, and believe it or not, 5 years ago I bought one packet for $1.99 and let about 2 dozen of these go to seed, and I haven't bought any seeds ever since. So I'm on about my 6th year of seeds without, just on those first couple of plants. Alright, we're going to change out one of these containers here. First thing you got to do is get rid of these old plants. We already harvested the pak choi plants. You can see them right up there on the front row there. Now we ate these before they had a chance to bolt. You can see how easy it is to take these out, just like in our other videos. Comes right out of the pool noodle, not like the rock wool where the roots are all through it and you can't really get them out. Now these are a little dirty, you can clean them and use them again, but somebody asked me how you make them out of the pool noodle, so we're going to start from scratch. First thing you want to do is get rid of the old nutrient solution. Just dump it in a bucket and I'll toss it in my wife's herb garden later. Let me wash this off real quick. Alrighty. So if you go get your pool noodle and cut cross sections about 1 inch thick, you can get 48 inches on average pool noodle, so you get about 48 of these out of each one. And somebody asked me about the big hole in the middle, how to hold the plant there. We're going to show you. But first we got to fill it back up with nutrient solution. And I'll link out the recipe up above or put it down in the description below. Anyhow, this all you do is just cut a little section out. Take that piece, put it in the middle. Make sure there's still a small hole for your microgreen to fit through, so you don't squash it because it's real tender. Now you can use cotton or biostraight or something else in the middle. Now the cotton or biostraight might keep the stems a little too wet because it absorbs a lot of moisture. Now sometimes if there's no space you might have to trim it again, just like that. That's how easy it is. Nothing extra to buy. We just did it that fast. Alright, now we're ready. We're gonna plant some more pak choi. No, it's not gonna be intense. We'll get that off and we'll leave the timer on, but we're gonna take our time and relax, see what it really takes to plant out one of these. See, that one's pretty clean. The roots coming out of the bottom. Now reach down into the nutrient solution. Now you don't have any pumps or aeration or anything to worry about, so you can get some dirt on there and it's not going to bother it. Pull it back out. Make sure the roots are touching the nutrient solution. Pop it back in. Repeat the process 4 times. Now see these microgreens here? There's no nutrient solution. It's just water and it grows slowly. Now you can see the ones in the row in front of it, they're a little bit bigger because those are in a nutrient solution now. So if you keep these microgreens around, if something happens to some of them or you harvest some, then you always have some microgreens to put back in. Just make sure that little space that you left, that you get the microgreen in that space so that you don't squash it. And it's just set it and forget it. When you're done and you finish it off, this thing will go for about a month without you having to do anything to it. That one in the front, I haven't even touched that. I did that one last week, and you can see it's a little bigger than this one, and it came from the very same microgreens I'm using right now. In about 5 to 6 weeks, you're going to be harvesting pak choi. And keep it going in succession like this so that you always have a fresh crop. I'm going to put about 3, 4 in this one. There's no rules. You can always thin them out and eat some if you like. Alright, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Y'all please share this with somebody. Keep on growing. Live to inspire. Catch you next time. I love y'all. Peace.